Shout out to my mama and papa and to my brother.
Yeah, I see you. Shout out the fam. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Shout out to my moms and dad too. Huh? Yeah, Pops, you gotta join me on this push-up challenge. You like to compete with me? Come on. Get these 200 push-ups in. We rolling? Huh?
Just testing.
Yeah, I'm ready. All right, what's up? Back here with Chief Hoops. We in the gym, about to get this work in. First thing, got new merch on deck. So if you need some merch, go to Chief Hoops Sportswear. We got you set up, or chiefhoops.com. And you don't just have to buy my merch. Like, you can hit me up and can personalize and customize it for you. If you got your own brand, that's cool too. But let's jump into this video. So basically, like, I want to challenge myself because, like, I feel like it's been like a tough situation with the pandemic and everything. So right now, what I'm doing is, like, I'm gonna do a 30-day challenge, basically, cut right to the point. And it's gonna be 200 push-ups every day. And then with my diet, I'm just gonna do like water, vegetables, pasta, what else? Like, if I have snacks, it'll be like fruit or popcorn or something like that. Whatever is basically healthy, and just cut out all the excess that I don't need. Like, so for now, like, no meat, no chicken, no beef, no pork. When it comes to drinks, no Red Horse, no gin, you know what I'm saying? Like, all that, no extracurricular activities. Just focus and lock in on, like, really training hard, you know, and doing this push-up challenge and cleansing my body over the next 30 days. So that's what we're gonna do. So we here in the weight room right now. As you see, we got a nice facility here. You know what I mean? It's real nice in here. I like this spot. So we're gonna get started. Obviously, after my push-ups, I'm gonna do a lot more, but for this video, the focus is about the 200 push-ups. So let's get started. I gotta, like, do these in like sets of 25 or something. My chest is gonna be crazy sore tomorrow too. Oh, that's one thing I forgot. Like, I did measurements. So I measured my chest, stomach, arms. And I was at, like, and my chest was like 42 inches, 36 inches on the stomach, which is like heavy for me. And the arms was 12.5. So when I'm done with this 30-day challenge, like, I'm gonna redo the measurements and see, like, you know, what improvements I made, or what and also, like, how my body looks. Also gonna take a picture, like, when I'm done with all this, so we can see a before and after shot. I gotta cut on my timer. Let's get it. Oh, need a timeout. Need a timeout. It's much harder than it sounds. You just say, like, 200 push-ups. Oh yeah, that's easy. 120, 120, 80 more. 80 more. And that.
You can do it like, you can pause and just like continue counting.
Yeah, just not like 200 push-ups consecutively, just like, that's why I put the clock on. So right now I'm at 8 minutes. I've been doing push-ups for 8 minutes. And I'm at 120 push-ups. So basically we're gonna see like how long it takes me to do these 200 push-ups the first time. And then what I'm gonna do is just like update every 10 days of the challenge. So on the 10th day, I'll come back in again with the camera, do the push-ups again, see where the time is at, 20th day, 30th day, and then like that. So, yep. $140. 140. Basically, almost done. 60 left. It's rough. Combined with the heat factor, because it's like 90 degrees here, and we're on the 3rd floor, so the, you know, heat rises. I'm tired. $165.
Where's the cameraman?
Oh, really?
Yes.
So sometimes I don't need to come with you.
Oh, yeah. You can just record, or?
Do you want some shout out?
Shout out to my mama and papa. And to my brother.
Yeah. I see you. Shout out the fam. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Shout out to my moms and dad, too. Huh? Yeah, Pops, you gotta join me on this push-up challenge. You like to compete with me? Come on. Get these 200 push-ups in.
They just opened last January.
Yeah, it's new, right?
Yung may-ari nitong lupa, siya may-ari ng ano? Or pinarentahan?
Hindi po. Siya, yung may-ari po nito, siya po may-ari nito.
Okay.
I got 20 left. 20 push-ups left. It's been almost 15 minutes. Ready?
Lagi ka nagbabantay dito?
15 more.
Malakas naman yung keyboard. Nahina. Pandemic kasi. Pero buti nag-open na ulit yung mga gym.
Ito talaga open na para sa po. Kasi okay lang tayo mag-show.
10 left.
Please diba?
Woo! This might be my full workout for the day.
Just push up.
Might just be push-ups. That might be it. Ten left.
He said he is hurting with your shoes. Why are you using it for a workout?
2 more. Finish. Took about, I started the clock a little bit late, so it probably took like 18 minutes. So I guess you could just round up and say 20-minute workout, 200 push-ups. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep updating you guys every like 10 days in, 10 days in, 20 days in, 30th day, update you guys, show you progress, showing you how long it takes me to get these push-ups done. So hopefully, like, I mean, it took 20 minutes. Hopefully by day 30, we can cut it in half and do it in 10 minutes. And I'll be looking, you know, big diesel, feel me? But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that, comment. If you got any other challenges you want me to do, leave a comment, drop a comment, let me know, like, oh, I want you to do this challenge, or a dunk challenge, or a 3-point challenge, or a sit-up challenge, pull-up challenge, whatever. Just let me know, you know, and I'll see if I can make that happen for y'all. Appreciate y'all. We out this joint.